Hi guys, welcome to Math Magic. Today we are going to learn equivalent fraction. Equivalent fractions are fractions that are the same. For instance, if we have a rectangle that is divided into two equal parts and one part is shaded, the fraction representing the shaded part will be 1 over 2. I wrote 1 at the top because only one part was shaded. Then I wrote 2 at the bottom because the total number of parts here is 2. Now what if I divide this rectangle horizontally? Okay, the number of parts shaded has increased. We now have 2 parts shaded. That is this part and this part. So the fraction representing the shaded part will become 2 over 4. I wrote 2 at the top because 2 parts are shaded here. Then I wrote this 4 at the bottom because the total number of parts we have here is 4. Okay? 1 over 2 and 2 over 4 are the same. They are equal. They are equal because we got both of them from the same diagram, from the same rectangle, and this is the rectangle where we got the both of them. That is why they are the same. Let me give you another illustration. If we have a rectangle that is divided into 3 equal parts and one part is shaded, the fraction representing the shaded part will be 1 over 3. I wrote 1 at the top because it was only one part that was shaded. Okay, then I wrote 3 at the bottom because the total number of parts in this diagram is 3. Now what if I decide to divide a rectangle horizontally? The number of parts shaded has increased. The total number of parts has also what? Increased. Now how many parts are shaded now? Let's count it. 1, 2. 2 parts are shaded, so the fraction will be 2 over. Then if you count the total number of parts to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 parts. So it will be over 6. 1 over 3 and 2 over 6 are equivalent, meaning they are equal. They are equal because we got the two of them from the same rectangle, which is this rectangle. Here we've come to the end of this video. If you love my video, do well to hit the subscribe button. Have a great day. Bye.